Третий класс, английский язык, звездный английский, домашнее задание. Я обожаю лес летом. Часть вторая, страница 100, 101, 102, 103. English, Starlight 3. I love the forest in the summer. Homework, part number 2. Page number 100, 101, 102, 103. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look wonderful today. So do you? You look wonderful today. So do you? That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm glad you like it. That's a wonderful color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm very glad you like it. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 100. Stop. Exercise number 1. What does Emma do every day? Look at the pictures and say. Что Эмма делает каждый день? Посмотри на картинки и скажи. The answer. Emma gets up at 7 o'clock in the morning. She has breakfast and goes to school in the morning. Emma does her homework in the afternoon. She watches TV in the afternoon. Emma listens to music in the evening. She plays computer games in the evening. Emma drinks some milk at night. She goes to bed at 9 p.m. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2, memory game. Игра на память. Does Emma go to school in the afternoon? No, she doesn't. She goes to school in the morning. The answer. Does Emma listen to music in the afternoon? No, she doesn't. She listens to music in the evening. Does Emma drink milk in the morning? No, she doesn't. She drinks milk at night. Does Emma watch TV at night? No, she doesn't. She watches TV in the afternoon. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Complete the sentences with do, does, don't or doesn't. Завершите предложение с помощью do, does, don't или doesn't. The answer. Does she play the guitar in the evening? Yes, she does. Does he walk in at school? No, he doesn't. Do you eat breakfast in the afternoon? No, I don't. Does he wear glasses? Yes, he does. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 101, 101. Another lovely day. Exercise number 4. What does Wendy do every day? Read and choose the right words. Что Wendy делает каждый день? Прочитайте и выберите правильные слова. The answer. Wendy gets up at 7 o'clock every day. She has a shower and then she has breakfast. Wendy goes to school at 8 o'clock. She doesn't have lunch at home. She has lunch at school. Wendy comes home at 4 o'clock. Then Wendy does her homework. In the afternoon, Wendy and her mother like go jogging. In the evening, Wendy listens to music or watches TV. I read again and make questions. Прочтите еще раз и задайте вопросы. The answer. When does Wendy get up? At 7 o'clock. В ответ. Прочтите еще раз и задайте вопросы. The answer. When does Wendy get up? At 7 o'clock. When does Wendy go to school? At 8 o'clock. When does Wendy come home? At 4 o'clock. When does Wendy go to bed? At 10 o'clock. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 102, 102. Another lovely day. Exercise number 1. Listen and read the dialogue. Послушайте и прочтите диалог. Elvin gets up at 7 o'clock every day. He goes to work at 8 o'clock. He has lunch at 1 o'clock. In the afternoon, he goes jogging. Every evening, he has a shower. At night, he listens to music. And at 10 o'clock, he goes to bed. Next day. I love the forest in summer. Yes, summer is magic. In summer, the flowers give food to the bees. What do the bees do? The bees help the flowers grow. What do the birds do? They make nests for their babies. Today is a very special day. Happy Environment Day. Today and every day. Let's celebrate. Boys and girls, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow,